Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve global awareness with EF education. First, detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve global awareness with EF education, first, start by understanding the concept of global awareness. Global awareness involves recognizing the interconnectedness of cultures, economies, and environments worldwide. Research the history and mission of EF education first to grasp their approach to education. Explore EF's various programs, including language courses, cultural exchanges, and travel experiences. Identify your personal goals for improving global awareness, such as learning a new language or immersing yourself in a different culture. Choose a suitable EF program that aligns with your interests and objectives. Register for the program, ensuring you meet any prerequisites. Immerse yourself in the experience by actively participating in all activities and engaging with fellow students. Utilize the resources provided by EF, such as online platforms and community forums, to enhance your learning. Seek opportunities for real-life application of your skills, like volunteering or internships abroad. Stay informed about global issues by following reliable news sources and joining discussions with others. Reflect on your experiences regularly to deepen your understanding of different perspectives. Connect with individuals from diverse backgrounds to share insights and broaden your worldview. Embrace challenges that come with learning about global cultures, as they contribute to personal growth. Document your journey through journaling or blogging, which can help reinforce your learning. Finally, share your newfound knowledge with others, fostering a dialogue about global awareness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.